In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Remitly account. We'll walk through the exact clicks on the website, and I'll point out a few things to keep in mind so the process goes smoothly. This guide is for the web version of Remitly. If you're using a phone or tablet, the wording may look slightly different, but the flow is similar. Start by opening your browser and going to the Remitly website. Sign in if you aren't already. Before you proceed, it's wise to make sure there are no pending transfers and that you've saved any receipts you might need for your records. Closing your profile will remove your access, so having those details beforehand can save time later. Once you're on the home page and signed in, look to the top right. You'll see a menu that says Welcome, or it will display your name. Click that to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, choose Settings to open your account settings area. This is where all of your personal and account controls live. Inside Settings, select Profile Information. This page holds your basic details and the options tied to your profile status. Scroll down until you find the section labeled My Remitly. This is where Remitly places the option to close your profile, along with important notes about what that means. Click Close My Profile. A confirmation panel will appear explaining the impact of closing your profile. Read this carefully. When you close your profile, you'll lose access to your account, your transfer history, and any saved recipients. If there's anything you still need to reference, pause here and make sure you've captured it. To proceed, check the box that says, I understand that I won't have access to my profile after it is closed. This acknowledgement is there to ensure you're making an informed choice. After checking the box, click Close My Profile to finalize the closure. At this point, Remitly may prompt you to confirm your identity, such as re-entering your password or completing a security code, depending on your settings. Once confirmed, your profile will be closed. You should see an on-screen confirmation, and in many cases, you'll receive a confirmation email. If the close button is disabled or you see a message about pending activity, resolve any outstanding transfers first and then return to this screen. That's it. You went to the Remitly website, opened the account menu, chose Settings, selected Profile Information, scrolled to My Remitly, clicked Close My Profile, acknowledge the warning, and confirm the closure. If you ever decide to use Remitly again, you'll need to create a new profile. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you close your Remitly account with confidence.